So let's start to explain it. First of all, I am telling the definition of noun. As you are showing here, noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Example: Ram, Mohan and Agra. Here are in this image you can see that the example of noun. Here is types of noun. First is common noun. Common noun is the common noun is used in the place of proper noun, because it is not a specific common noun doesn't show the specific thing. It is a common thing, like a city. It is not denote any specific name of any city. It is a city, है ना. Religion, people, doctor, teachers, means it is a commonly we use. That thing is non-common noun. And the proper noun is the noun which we use which denotes any specific person, like the name of any person, like the place of any person, like a name of anything, है ना. Third is abstract noun. Abstract noun, the noun which we cannot see and which we cannot feel, we touch, we can only feel. That noun is known as abstract noun, like happiness, sadness, wiseness, honestiness, intelligenceness, means the thing which you can only feel, not you can touch and not you can see. It is that noun is known as abstract noun. Fourth one is concrete noun. The noun which you can perceive by your five sense organs, है ना. Which like perfume, like heat, है ना. Which you can sense, not taste, है ना. This is known as concrete noun, perceived by your five senses. ठीक है. Countable noun. Countable noun is noun which you can be count, like apples, trains, clocks, etc. Uncountable noun which you cannot count, like you can measure only, like milk, like water, snow, rice. You cannot count it, no. You have to measure it, है ना. फिर seventh is compound noun. And eighth is collective noun, a group of anything, like a bunch of grapes, bunch of flowers, and family, and army, है ना. It is the collective noun. Committee, and it is also a connective noun, which denote to the group of anything. It is known the collective noun. And singular noun is that which refer to only one person, one place, one thing, like cat, dog. And plural, one more than one thing denotes, that is plural noun. Okay, I think you can be understood the types of noun. So here I have explained about 10 types of noun. And in my next video we will talk, first of all we will talk about the common noun. The term common noun is identification of people, place or thing. It is used in place of proper noun. मतलब common noun is a commonly used in the place of proper noun, which has no any identification, है ना. Like teacher, doctor, girls, boys. It is the common example of common noun. And proper noun is show the specific person, place of thing, name of any person, name of any place, name of anything. Okay, it is the worksheet of common noun. Here you can see sorry for this interruption. I want to show you the worksheet of common and proper noun. It is the worksheet. Here I am showing you, and you can see here here are some example of common and proper noun, and you have to sort out in this. The common noun, you can see here the common noun which should be the common noun, like school. School is a common noun. ठीक है. Month, if we are not talking in about any particular month, so month is a common noun, है ना. River is a common noun, movie is a common noun, and subject is a common noun. And a proper noun is Mary, Mr. Wilson, है ना. Tuesday, Shoprite, Mercedes is a particular name of any car, so it is the proper noun, है ना. English is a subject, है ना. Not here subject is a common noun, but here we are talking about a particular one subject, so English is a proper noun. The Bible is a proper noun. Teacher is a common noun. Mr. Daman is a proper noun. ठीक है. I think you can understood the common and proper noun easily. Now we will talk about abstract noun. The noun about which we can abstract noun is a type of noun which we cannot touch, we cannot see, but we can feel. That is known as the abstract noun, like ability, advantage, anxiety, charity, comfort, defeat, dream. All these things are abstract noun. And here also some example of abstract noun, like he is telling the truth to us. To hear truth is a abstract noun. These ladies are always gossiping with each other. Always is abstract noun. His girlfriend blindly believes him. Believe is abstract noun, because it is show the feeling of that particular person. The entire class is laughed at me. Na? So all these are the abstract noun. And here I am showing some pictures about friendshipness, strength, happiness, Christmas, joy, responsibility, freedom. All these are the abstract noun. And it is the concrete. Now we will talk about the concrete noun. Concrete noun is the noun which we can perceive by the five sense organs, है ना. Like music we can listen ना, but we cannot touch it. We can listen. Perfume, rain, which we raininess we will feel with your skin, है ना. हवा, wind, perfume you can smell it, है ना. You can feel it. Music also you can feel it, है ना. All these are the concrete noun. The noun which you can only feel by your five sense organs is known as concrete noun. And the noun which you cannot see, which you cannot touch, but you can only feel it, na, it is the abstract noun.